Cardano could retreat 1.8% by April 22, Gov Capital Collector forecasts. To begin, here's a quick look at the recent price behavior. At this point, Cardano has gained 0.6% over the last day and is trading near $0.2469. It's time for expert takes on the market. According to Gov Capital Collector, the asset could reach $0.2427 by April 22, a loss of roughly 1.8% from today's price. Cardano could edge lower to $0.2462 according to crypto predictions, around 0.4% below now. Traders Union highlights a scenario where it could move up to $0.248, a rise estimated at 0.4%. Another forecast released by CoinLore notes Cardano could be on track for $0.2503, a gain estimated at 1.3%. To conclude, CoinCodex sees the price climbing to $0.2527 by tomorrow, which is 2.3% up from current levels. This is the most lucrative forecast we reviewed. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price range is from a decrease of 1.8% to a rise of 2.3%. All in all, CoinCodex ends up with the highest return with 2.3% uplift in value by April 22. From this, you could see returns of between $4 and $23 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, Crypto Predictions' forecast stands as the most probable, with a 91.6% likelihood. By pulling the forecasts together, I've set out a consensus scenario. According to consensus data, Cardano remains stable near $0.248. Now, let's go through the numbers. Consensus outlook shows the price advancing by 0.4%. Put simply, your capital could climb by around 0.4% in line with that move. A 1,000 example position could imply a possible $4 return. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 91.6%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. A decline is anticipated by Gov Capital Collector, with bearish pressure in play. Similarly, Crypto Predictions highlights building pressure to the downside. Traders Union points to further upside potential. Additionally, CoinLore sees the price trending higher in the short term. An upward push is likewise signaled by CoinCodex. All forecasts combined show Cardano leaning higher over this 3-day horizon. In conclusion, the majority view highlights a bullish short-term outlook for Cardano. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the next day. That day has passed, so let's see how they turned out. As a result, the daily candle closed at $0.2481. 3 out of 5 analysts predicted the right side of the move. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from Crypto Predictions. Now let's sort out clearly. In yesterday's move, 3 forecasts landed inside the candle. Regarding ROI, a few analysts delivered profits and cryptonization ranked first among them. Here's the daily summary: how each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. The data for CoinCodex shows 86% forecast probability, 020's $4,865,778,515 accuracy, and minus 0.2% ROI. Have a look and see whose forecast matched reality best. Now we'll see how the expected returns for tomorrow differ across several coins, including Cardano. In this comparison, PEEP comes first with 3.3% ahead of Cardano. At this stage, Cardano is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table of returns and long-term analyst results will soon go live on my site and Telegram. If this helped you see everything faster and easier, don't forget to leave a like. Till next time.